Hello my friends and welcome back to my device again. In this video I will teach you how to fix your iPhone's broken cable by replacing the lightning connector. Actually this is the new method and I always use this method to repair my cables. So by using this method you can repair your broken cables and do it yourself at your home and save your money. So if you wanna know how to repair your cables, just follow my video step by step. First of all, I'm gonna actually test my iPhone and my cable, and you can see here the cable doesn't charge my iPhone. All we need, my friend, is this connector, and I'm gonna show you how to order it from the internet. It's so easy to actually get this connector. As you can see, I'm gonna search this phrase on the Google. Just search by iPhone lightning dock cheap. Here we are. As you can see, my friends, the price is so low and you can buy it from AliExpress, or you can find it on the electronic shop in your city or area. So after getting the cheaper connector, you should have 3 pieces just like this, as you can see. And after that we will actually set it up with each other. Also, if your USB port is damaged, again you can order it from the internet or go to electronic shop and fix it. So let's dive into the repair guide. First step, cut your broken part of your cable. So guys, there is a main point here and it's so important. The wire arrangement should be like this, and pay attention to the color of the wire. The red wire is the voltage or V, and the white wire is negative data or D negative, and the green wire is data plus or D plus. And finally we have a blue wire which is ground or G, and there is a point here guys, and the ground could be with the brown wire, blue wire or dark wire. Here I made it easy for you, my friends, the wire diagram, and as you can see I actually show you with the color of the wire, and you can screenshot from the video and use it later. And another point I should tell you, pay attention to the direct of the connector. And it's not so hard, just follow the actually sign on your connector or your chip. So here it is time to prepare your wire. Just follow my video and you can find it. In this step, we will solder the wire and prepare them. Here we are. As you can see, my friend, the wires are ready to solder them to connector. In this step, we will actually prepare the connector for the wires. Now we have arrived to the important part. we solder the wires in the order I said. And finally you should have your connector like this, as you can see. So here is the time to test our actually repaired cable. As you can see, I'm gonna test it. So my friend, as you can see, eventually it's gonna charge my iPhone. This is actually the great trick to repair your damaged cable. So in this step I use this heat shrink to prevent the cable from the breaking again. And again, you can buy or order the heat shrink from the internet or go to the electronic store and you can find it. As you can see my friend, this is the result. If you have any problem or any question, you can actually comment it. I will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you my friends for watching my video, and do not forget that to support me, subscribe my channel and like the video. See you soon guys, goodbye.